I'm Dean with Roosevelt City. We're looking at aerators and faucets. This faucet has been here 14 years and never been cleaned. I've taken it out and see the debris and the obstruction on the aerator. You can see how much is down in the faucet. You should occasionally, once a year or so, take your aerators out. Clean the debris. Wash it off. Clean the little screen. Take the whole aerator and put it in a cup of white vinegar, just enough to cover it. Let it sit for 20-30 minutes. And then put it back in. And then flush it. You can see I haven't tightened it. It has a rubber gasket in there. Tighten it up, and your flow will be greatly enhanced. It may take a pair of pliers to get it out. Lightly just grip it and turn. Don't squeeze it, don't distort it, but it just unscrews. Rinse the debris, turn it, wash it off backwards. If you'll notice also, the line that is on this side of the screen, white vinegar will remove it, and your water pressure will be greatly increased in your home.